Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Love Coleus, but he's starting over every year in colder zones. Here's a simple hack to keep it going forever. No soil, no repotting, and no piles of pots taking up space.
Coleus, native to Southeast Asia and parts of Africa, has been grown for centuries for its dazzling patterned foliage. It's loved for its incredible versatility, thriving in full sun for bold color or brightening up shady spots where few plants shine. Today, there are over 1,500 known varieties of Coleus, from deep velvety purples to neon greens, with endless leaf shapes and color combinations. If you have your favorite varieties, before the first frost, snip 4 to 6 inch cuttings from your healthiest plants. Remove the low leaves and place the stems into a glass or jar of water. Keep it in bright indoor spot. And that's it! All winter, your Coleus will stay alive in water. Just change the water every couple of weeks to keep it fresh. You'll see root growing, no planting required. When spring arrives, simply move those rooted cuttings back into the garden or containers. You have just saved your favorite Coleus from year to year with almost no effort. And now I'm gonna show you how to maintain your Coleus forever.
Look at these cuttings. I got them end of summer, beginning of the fall last year, and I just stuck them in a jar with water. And look at this extensive roots. And they've been sitting here for a few months. It's end of February right now. And what I'm gonna do now, just get more cuttings and then plant them, some directly in soil and some in water. So I'll have plenty of plants by the springtime. What do you think, Wookie? And to plant them in soil, I'm just gonna use used plastic cups. And first, I'll simply cut a few holes so water can come through. And now we're ready to do some cuttings. See, I'm using a simple kitchen knife because I like to cook. So I'm gonna just cut it below the leaf node. There are no leaves here. And here's my cutting. It's already cleaned up from the other leaves. So this is ready to be planted. I'm gonna put it in soil, just like that, and firm it up. And then we're gonna take next one. Here we're gonna clean up a few leaves above leaf node
And plant.
Also, I'm gonna have few cuttings and put them just in water. Here we are. We'll see how they root. Few cuttings in a jar with water. Also, guys, I'd like to emphasize that I used only household items except for the soil, and I'm sure you have all of it at home. So you really don't need anything special if you want to do it yourself.
And in cuttings that are in water, first roots start to appear on day 5.
And they develop extensive root system quite quickly. All cuttings that I planted directly into the soil took beautifully, and soon will be ready to be planted outside. And now time came for our Coleus cutting to bring them outside and plant. They all survived, and I think will look gorgeous in the flower pot.
Let's get to it. Check this out. It's still growing but looks beautiful.
I also kept my very first cuttings I took in the fall and used them to create more cuttings. And look at this extensive root system, and it's been sitting like that since last fall. So I'm gonna plant it.
What a resilience! What a transformation! The cutting I took in the fall, kept in water to create more cuttings in the spring, and eventually planted, is turning into a beautiful plant. Needless to say that all other cuttings originated from this parental one. gave rise to numerous plants that added beauty to many planters, for many friends and myself. I hope I convinced you that with this easy hack, your Coleus can be truly perpetual in colder zones. You can easily multiply it and enjoy its brilliant versatile foliage season after season. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Happy gardening!